I'm sorry, I was caught unawares. Let's continue. Okay, we were trying to see the distinction between the two options. A, somebody chose them A and somebody said them D. Involves complete absorption of the photoelectron. This does not tell us anything about the photoelectric absorption. Photoelectric absorption involves the complete absorption of the incident photon. It is when the incident photon is absorbed by the photon that the photoelectron will not be ejected, that the electron will not be ejected. The ejected electron is what is called a photoelectron. So it doesn't involve a complete absorption of the photoelectron. It is not an electron that is coming, it is a photon that is coming. It's a photon that is coming into the atom that is absorbed completely by the electron, innermost electron. So when that happens, the electron is now ejected, which now constitutes the photoelectron. I hope you got that.
Yes, sir.
So can you identify this? Let's just quickly do this. This one, B, is our photoelectric effect. You can see it. It doesn't, because of the energy range, it stops maybe around 50 electron volts or 70, as the case may be. Of course, and then Compton continues to predominate to so many energy range. You can see at this point we have almost the same thing. We have this, not almost. We have the same contribution by Compton and the photoelectric, maybe around maybe 20 or whatever. So this is not a straight. This kiloelectron, okay, this kiloelectron. That's 1,000. Whatever. So this one is our photoelectric effect. B. This is our Compton scattering. You can see this is pair production. You can see the higher range of energy. This one is support. This one, of course, and of course, A is the combination of all these two. If we plot the contributions of all these things, at the end of the day, we are going to have this. At this point, this and this, you have this, you plot it, this and this, you plot, you find the value. At this point, you see it's only photoelectric and blah, 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 and so on. But immediately after this, you now see that this one now takes the shape of the photoelectric effect because we don't have any other contribution by radius scattering, photoelectric effect, or Compton scattering. So we, just because of time, blah, 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 in the total portion of the curve. So 49. The display intensity of the machine at the same image obtained with higher KVP is expected to have what? The display intensity of the image is maintained the same. The image obtained with higher KVP is expected to have what? What are we
B,
going
sir.
B, yeah, lower contrast. 41. If the layer and transition of material, what they have value layer? We actually did this before. The have value layer, the
Is B2.
yeah.
Into over 0.2.
Okay.
But at least can you do so that for other people to understand it, sir?
Okay. Now we have 0.2 per centimeter of linear information coefficient. Then we have what's the HDR? Okay. So HDR is 0. Is actually 2 over linear attenuation coefficient. In 2 is it's actually 0.693. If you find the natural logarithm of 2, you're going to have a 0.693. So that is why at times you have this 0.293 stuff. It's just a direct calculation of the 2. So the HBL of the material will now be 2 over 0.2. I think they gave us the linear attenuation coefficient of 0.2. So then 2 over 0.2 is the HBL. of the material. But still, if the mass attenuation coefficient of the material is this, the density and the density, of course, we should know the relationship between mass attenuation coefficient and linear attenuation coefficient. Mass attenuation coefficient is a linear attenuation coefficient divided by density. So for this one, is 0.11 centimeter squared over gram per gram over 2.7 over 2.7. So B.
Yes, sir.
So 43, we've seen this question before. 44. What are the products of a coherent photon interaction? What are the products? What are the products of coherent photon interaction?
B.
Option B.
No, it's E now.
E or B?
B current is Compton.
Coherent is E, scattered photon. Compton scattering is actually incoherent interaction, which is electron and the scattered photon. But for coherent, it is just the scattered photon. You don't have any other byproduct. What's responsible for image contrast? Mainly photoelectric effect.
Electric, yes, sir.
For the interaction at 1 mega, 1 point, at least 1 mega, 1.72 mega electron volt is what?
Peer production.
Yeah, peer production. 47. What interaction varies as a 1 all over E raised to power 3? I didn't complete. I wanted to.
That's photoelectric.
Yes. So we have 48.
Photoelectric B.
Which interaction is most likely to occur at 90 kVp X rating? Incident on tissue.
Compton.
Yeah, Compton predominates at this energy for soft tissue. So Compton is I gave out photoelectric effect, but it is a Compton. I thought it looked a mistake somewhere when I was writing the answer, filling in the answer. So Compton is the answer there. Which are the following radiation now ionizing, blah blah blah, this and that, and 50. Which are the following superatomic and fillet? So this 8 o'clock. I think we did a great job in maintaining the time. So number 50.
C.
Okay, see, the chemical properties largely depends upon the number of, from our chemistry. So that's it.
Thank you very much, sir. We are so grateful.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Yeah. Whenever I send them tests or whatever, let's try and do, because if so many of us had done it, at least by this revision, it would have cemented the more. It could have had much more impact in retention. That's when you're not encounter a problem like this before, going through it, and of course having things that maybe discussed in class to mean much more. I enjoy you to always do some of these things questions when they are sent, because it is meant for us to actually evaluate our progress. So I've been sending the pre-quiz to us. Let's see how that goes. Pre-quiz and post-quiz, so that at the end of the day, when you now compare your post-quiz solution, your post-quiz score post and topic and score to pre-topic score. You should be able to now draw an inference, analysis on that, whether you are improving or one is not improving. But actually, one is expected to have a higher mark after the post, after the topic than when the topic hadn't been taught. I want to wish us a great day. We'll see you on a Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.